or join some ashram, at least you will be under some sadhus or Guruji and serve them and get some realization.
Okay, my dear parents, I will go away and join some ashram.
So the lazy person started searching for an ashram in Ayodhya and found a fat person sitting and meditating.
This person is so healthy and fat. Maybe they eat a lot and do nothing. So this is the better place for me.
Hare Krishna, who are you, Prabhuji? What do you want?
Prabhuji, please accept me. I wanted to join your ashram.
Hari Bol, very amazing. Are you sure you really wanted to be serious?
Just one thing. I want to know how many times prasadam you will keep.
2 times.
I can't satisfy with 2 times prasadam. I need 3 times.
Okay, whatever you get for second time, make half portion of it and keep aside. In this way, you will have the prasadam 3 times.
Hearing this, he was so happy that he is getting 3 times prasadam. No work to do, just hear bhajan, katha and eat from his guru. In this way, he lives happily for few days. But after 15 days, he saw there are none in the kitchen and no one was cooking and nothing was happening. All were doing japa.
Hari bol Prabhuji. What happened? Why you haven't started cooking yet today?
Yes, Prabhuji, today is Ekadashi.
What? What is this Ekadashi? No one told me.
Ekadashi means no grains, no food, only japa.
You should have said me before. I would have chosen different ashram.
Whichever ashram you choose, every ashram will follow Ekadashi.
The lazy person, feeling sad, and went to his guru.
Oh Guru, please help me. I can't fast for Ekadashi. If you forcefully tell me to observe Ekadashi, tomorrow I can't see Dwadashi. I die with hunger if I don't eat. I want prasadam. For that, I will do any kind of work.
For your sake, we can't cook prasadam. But one thing we can suggest. Go outside, there is a big mountain near the river. There is a river. Go and cook for yourself at that place. We'll provide you ingredients.
In this way, he got ingredients and Guru said,
Before you start eating, whatever you cook, please offer to Lord.
Okay Guruji, definitely.
the lazy person started cooking with so much of hard work, but it was little burnt and look-wise it was not so good. He went near the tree, plucked tulasi leaf and started to call the Lord to honor the food. But Lord did not appear.
Why the Lord is not coming? Maybe I should try to call him in a different way.
He started singing.
Prabhu Ramaye, Raja Ramaye, mere bhojan ko bhog lagaiye. Raja Ramaye, Prabhu Ramaye, mere bhojan ko bhog lagaiye.
He started singing, but Lord did not appear. He is very innocent and thought that until Lord comes and honors the bhoga, I cannot have. He is waiting and starting to call the Lord again in a different way.
भूल करो जी यंत्र दो जी भोजन रुक सुख एकादशी आज मंदिर में बहते रहोगे भूखे राजा राम आए प्रभु राम आए भोजन को भोग लगाइए. Oh Sita, look at this innocent devotee. How lately he is calling me to honor Prasadam with his pure heart.
Yes, Prabhu, such a sweet and kind heart he has. You should accept his
invitation. Let's go together and accept his offering.
In this way, Lord had appeared in front of the lazy person, and this person started to think.
I have called Lord Rama and he came with his wife Sita Devi, but I have cooked for only 2 people. Dear Bhakta, are you not happy singers? I have come here to accept your offering. Yes, yes, I am happy. Please come and sit. Have prasadam.
Lord Ram and Mother Sita happily took the food and left the place. But the lazy person did not have anything to eat, so he fasted for Ekadashi. Again, after 15 days, Ekadashi falls. He went to his Guru.
Guruji, please give me some more extra ingredients. As Lord is not coming alone, he is coming with his wife. So give me more.
Guru thinks, maybe this person is so hungry.
Okay, fine. You can take more.
In this way, again he took ingredients, started cooking for 3 people, and began to call the Lord with the bhajan. Lord Rama immediately appeared with Mother Sita, and this time he brought Lakshmana as well.
Oh, Bhakta, are you not happy singers? Yes, Prabhu, my lord. I am very happy. Please take your seat.
The lazy person is looking like a layman and looking at prasadam. In his mind, he is feeling sad and unhappy.
I have called 2 people. Now they have came 3. Today also fasting. There will be no food for me after they eat.
Lord Ram, Mother Sita and Lakshmana enjoys the prasadam and left the place. After passing another 15 days and again it's Ekadashi day. As usual, the lazy person goes to his Guru.
Guruji, the ingredients are not sufficient. Please give me more.
Maybe he is more hungry and he wants to eat 3 times. Give him whatever he requires.
Okay, Prabhuji, as you say.
As usual, he started cooking, kept Tulsi on bhoga and started to call the Lord. This time, Lord had appeared with Sita Devi, Lakshman and Hanuman. Seeing Hanuman, the lazy person was so shocked and also sad.
My dear Bhakta, are you not happy seeing all of us? No, no, Prabhu. My heart and stomach filled with happiness. Can't express this feeling. Please sit and honor prasadam. This time I should also fast. I'm calling the Lord and every time he's coming with 2 people, 3 people and now with 4 people. This is too much. Now I can't fast anymore. I should ask the Lord directly. Oh Lord, can you please tell me next time how many people are coming with you?
Lord Ram gently smiled and left the place. In this way, days passed, and as usual, again Ekadashi arrived.
Oh Guruji, you should do this Ekadasi comes every 15 days. Every time it is making me more difficult.
Why? What happened, Prabhuji?
Don't ask Guruji. Every time it is testing my hard work and patience. By the way, please give me more ingredients, not 1 or 2 kgs. I want 10 kgs.
What? 10 kgs? Assistant, come here. I think this person is fraud. Maybe he's selling the grains in the market. What should we do? Let's catch red-handed. Whatever required you give him, and now let us follow where he goes.
The lazy person took all the ingredients and kept aside, started singing the bhajan without cooking.
सीतारामाइए राजा रामाइए लक्ष्मण साथ लाइए हनुमान साथ लाइए मेरे भोजन को भोग कराइए सीतारामाइए राजा रामाइए लक्ष्मण साथ लाइए हनुमान साथ लाइए मेरे भोजन को भोग कराइए.
The lazy person was so shocked and surprised seeing the Lord with the entire Ayodhya family.
Oh dear Bhakta, see, we all came together as per your request. But where is Prasada? Oh Lord Rama, very nice to see the entire family of yours. But why should I cook food for you all? Every time you come with more and more people, you eat prasadam without leaving anything since 4 weeks. I am fasting for Ekadashi unwantedly. This time I won't do anything. You cook for yourself, eat and then go.
The lazy person angrily went near a tree and slept off. Lord Ram, Mother Sita, Lakshmana and entire family started to cook for themselves. Even demigods watching from heavens came and helped Mother Sita in cooking. Everyone was doing some or other work. Meanwhile, the Guruji and his assistant went near mountains to check this lazy person.
Look, the lazy person is sleeping under the tree.
Yes, but why is not cooking? Let us go and ask. Wake up, Prabhuji. Why are you not cooking?
Oh Guruji, can't you not see the Lord Rama, Mother Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman and the entire Rama family are cooking for themselves?
What? Where? I can't see anyone.
Oh Lord, please appear and give darshan to Guruji. Otherwise, he will think every time I am only eating prasadam on all Ekadashi days.
Lord Ram smiled gently.
What's with your smile? Don't you dare to disappear again like last time? Are you giving darshan or not? Please don't make me fool in front of them.
Okay. Don't get angry. I will give darshan.
In this way, on the request of that lazy man, Lord Ram with his entire family gave darshan to Guruji. Guruji was so surprised and crying to see this beautiful darshan.
I am worshipping Lord Rama since many years. Never got the opportunity to see or serve the Lord. But with your sincere devotion and innocent heart, Lord had reappropriated, appeared and honored your cooked prasadam. You are a truly blessed devotee.
Now I realize why Lord is making me fast on Ekadashi. My life is blessed, taking shelter of Lord and serving Him. Because of your association and guidance, I am fortunate to get the darshan of Lord.
In this way, the lazy person happily serving devotees, chanting and following Ekadashi. Lord always sees your pure devotion, your true love and the humble nature to serve Him and His devotees. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.